2 years ago and Jaecoo didn't even exist. Now Jaecoo 7 is Britain's third best-selling car. This is how they did it. Clone a Range Rover, add Tesla-style tech and a 700-mile petrol hybrid, and knock them out cheaper than everyone else. You lot are buying one every 12 minutes, around about 125 a day, a boatload every month. If you live out in the sticks, the regular 1.6 petrol has the option of four-wheel drive and can swim in 60 centimetres of water. Not quite a Range Rover, but still pretty good. If you live in a town or a city, the mega efficient 1.5 litre petrol plug-in hybrid, or as Jaecoo call it, SHS-P, will do 50 odd miles in EV mode. Now, one Scottish owner will proudly tell you that she's clocked up 3,000 miles without using a drop of fuel. She just tops up the battery at night. But if you let the petrol-electric combo do its thing, you'll get 55 to 60 miles per gallon and up to 740 miles on a full tank. Driving impressions? Now, this is where the Chinese need to catch up, and they will. The ride is a bit fidgety for my liking and the steering is a little too vague, but it does feel strong and safe. To sum up then, Jaecoo 7 doesn't have the prestige or the driving dynamics of many established brands, but with excellent MPG, luxury kit, a 7-year warranty, maybe Jaecoo is rapidly becoming the Aldi of the car world. The smart choice, makes your money go further, outdoor cinema screen included.